Not the most beautiful place to start the bridleways, but let's go for it anyway. All the brakes are squeaking, I've got sticks in the wheels. It's going to be a good day. Here we go, looking good. Goes over the road. Oh wait. Back on track. This ride is going through Standish, alongside the M6 and up towards Charnock Richard. Everyone remember those motorway services? I like that. It's gone suddenly very serene. A bit worrying, to be honest. Oh, come on, brake. Well, that helped. I started the ride right next to the world's largest Heinz factory. Didn't even bother to film it. Squirrel. Ooh, a bit tight. Always smiling Nathan. Lots of retired old men fishing. Let's all go back to canal boat, shall we? What a life. It's 6 degrees, but it's not as windy, so I'm not completely frozen out. Oh look, a marina. Okay, that's driving me up the wall, that. No wonder, look at the state of it. Really do some maintenance, will you? Hey, a real mini. If you wonder where Standish is, if you get to the top of Coppull and go straight across the motorway, you come to Standish. So I'm basically following the M6 up north. Well, this is weird. How many do they need? That's a cute and strange little thing, isn't it? I don't think it's original. That was a very well protected farm. Security everywhere, giant gates. What's going on in there? Everyone just wants to get high. Every time I go out, one of my brakes squeaks the whole time. Stop it. This is a much nicer ride than I expected. I thought it was going to be industrial all the way. You might say, why isn't it taking it off, cleaning it up and adjusting it? Because they put Torx drives on the brakes. Interesting. Right, squirrel. I wonder what that was. It's a little buried solar light. That is gorgeous. See, I'm legal. Cute. I know where I am now. There's the gunsmiths. There's a lovely restaurant back there. I'll turn around and have a look at it. It's always really cosy and full of people when you drive past. Except for now, of course, it's quite empty. Albert's. Snazzy, eh? And here we are in Standish. It's a lovely town. Oh, look, I'm going to go to the front. Look at this. Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? It's got its own gatehouse with all the military looking church. The population density and the car ownership. You can't stop anywhere without someone wanting to go where you are. Anyway, I'm out of it now. Back to the local fly dumping spot. Oh! Just went past a family with a really strong chemical smell. I think it might have been some medical ointment. Just so you know I'm not lying, there you go. Hey! No public right of way. Oh yeah, I see why. That is the wrong way. Oh yeah, see the sign? Why didn't I look? It's covered away. What's that about? That took a lot of work to tie all those around there. Within seconds I'm covered in mud. I'm spinning the back wheel all the way along here. Really? Oh, glad I didn't wash the bike before I came out. Well, at least I'm seeing it at its worst. If you come along here in the summer, it'll be lovely. I'm going to pinch a ride on their farm track. Not riding along that anymore. The new e-bike laws in New Jersey are just horrendous. All e-bikes, even low power pedal assist, are to be treated as motorbikes. You're going to need insurance, some kind of license, an eye test, registration. You have to wear a full motorcycle helmet, and you can't ride on any cycle paths or any off-road trails. God help us if that spreads to the UK. It's unlikely, but never say never. I have no clue what town this is. No, still no name. They're obviously trying to keep it quiet. This will have it on, surely. Coppull United Football Club. So I'm in Coppull. The Springfield. Shall we have a little look around Coppull? Why not? Not much to see here, to be honest. Always a mill lane. And there is the mill. Let's have a quick look at it, eh? This is it, Bridleway. It's the Coppull Spinning Company, 1906. Looks a bit dodgy. I thought that was the Botany Bay Mill, but it's not, because I'm lost. Bit of a climb, I'll have to say. Be a path I can go along. I might have to walk the bike. It is lovely here. Let's see what these signs say. I think it's this way. It's a bit hard to tell. Look at that, damage to the sign will result in prosecution. Fair enough. If you're not riding a bike, then you've become a pedestrian who's pushing a bike. The question is, if you're pushing your bike up a hill, up a footpath, and you're using walk mode, does that still make you a pedestrian? The route that I draw and the actual route I do are completely different things. I might be a bit lost here. I think I'm going the right way. I think I better push, just in case. This is where I fall in. Nope, made it. I love a nice bridge, me. Yeah, I don't really think it's a bridleway. No dumping in these woods. Places you'd like to live. How cool is that playground area? I would be delighted with that when I was a kid. Still am a kid. This is Yarrow Valley Country Park in Chorley. It's also got this cute weir, but I never went there. When you're feeling really lazy and you want to glide up a hill in turbo. Everything's about mills around here. Oh my god, it's this way. Only kidding. It's difficult to make a loop to go back, but these little country lanes are lovely. Even the A roads feel really safe. I love that name. Jesus. Back in Standish. Ooh, which way? Doesn't seem likely, but I'm going through it anyway. I think I definitely should have gone there. Bloody hell, fine. Oh! Ew. Jeez. What the hell is that? Oh, sorry. I'm back on the way I came now. Okay, cheers. You may remember this building. I liked it on the way out. I still like it on the way back. Look man, no hands. There's this ultra fine rain. I'm wiping the camera lens constantly. It seems to leave over this little bubbly bit right in the middle. Hello, nice building. We meet again. So no, I didn't find this ride boring. Of course that doesn't mean it isn't boring to watch. The Mini again? But yeah, that's a fancy exhaust. What motor's in that? It's good seeing things the other way, isn't it? Oh, I draw the route out on a map, but seeing how that plays out and what I'll actually find on the ground is kind of interesting. Winstanley's bikes. I'm pretty sure this is where my friend bought his full suspension fat bike. I've got a big ride coming up as soon as the rain stops. Thanks for watching. See you next week.